Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to Bilal Moin channel. If you are new at my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Two cases has been reported today for coronavirus victims in Oman, and as per Ministry of Health, it has been mentioned that these two belongs from Islamic Republic of Iran. So what we have to do in this condition, like the corona is a panic nowadays in all over the world, but we as Omani living in Oman, expats or Omani, no matter, we have to take care for three things initially. Number one, don't get panic at all, because getting panic will increase your problems, it won't decrease it. So don't get panic, just relax and chill, because there are authorities, there is a complete Ministry of Health who is working on it. There are complete chain of doctors, capable doctors who can do and take up these all things. So don't get panic, let the life goes as easy as it was before corona. Number two, avoid you can say more outdoor activities. Don't get out. If you have any work, just get out and then get your job done and get back to home. Keep your mouth with the mask, like you need to use a mask while you are going for outside and for some work or for some shopping. Number three, whenever you have a small piece of cough or fever, mild fever or throat respiratory problem, please don't take it for granted. Immediately consult with your doctor, because these are the symptoms of corona. Corona is spreading so well, it's going so good as far as the virus concerned. So what we have to do, we have to take care for these three things. Inshallah, we are expecting these things will get sorted out soon, because the medicine which is getting a bit command on corona has been verified by the Chinese authorities. Guangzhou Pharmaceutical is getting it from the Pakistan pharmaceutical Bayer's pharmaceutical company. So they have sold 300,000 pieces of these tablets to China, and they are accepting, Chinese authorities are accepting that this tablet, this medicine is helping to cure corona. So please don't get panic, just relax, take precautions, and must visit doctor if you have any small mild fever, cough or respiratory problem. Thank you so much, and spread this message as much as you can. So let the other guys also, the other fellows who are living here, because we are so many nationalities are living here in Oman. So we need to help and support each other. We are a family of kingdom, a family of previous His Majesty Sultan Qaboos and now His Majesty Haitham bin Tariq. Thank you so much. Jazakumullahu khair.